how to manage the cruise control system in MG HS, the new promising SUV car. In the beginning, the cruise control system, it enables the driver to keep the vehicle advancing at a constant speed that you set, without depressing the accelerator pedal. This is particularly useful for any journey where a constant speed can be maintained for a long period. So it can be activated or even deactivated. The full control of this privilege, the cruise control, lies on the left lever, the lower one just beneath the lighting switch lever. This is the cruise control lever. It has several positions. Everything you need to know and to handle comes in this lever. This is its initial position. Now when you pull it towards your direction like this, it gets activated, and this is the original position. When it is activated, it is on standby mode. Pull. So it mentions in the dashboard that cruise control is in standby, and this sign appears, but in yellow color, just above the speed. When it is set and activated, when you lift it up, you increase the speed by 1 km/h, and when you put it down, you decrease the set speed to a lower one. Also, you can keep it held up. It will keep going up like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. above the speed that you have set. Same happens when you pull it down like this. And how actually do you activate it and put it on a green, this indicator lamp in the dashboard? When you are in motion, as a minimum 40 km/h, this is the minimum that you can set cruise control on. When you reach the desired speed you wanna have control on, you press set while driving, and then leave the pedal and everything, and then you can increase as we said and decrease. And let's test it now while driving. Now the speed is moving up. They're 40. Let's fix it. Now I'm gonna push set button. See, it turned red. It turned green. That sign that mentions that cruise control is activated. Now I've left the accelerator pedal, as you can see, and moving, and pull it for upward. The speed increased up to 51. Something worth mention: when you interfere or when I accelerate by the accelerator pedal, the speed goes up, but when you leave the pedal again, the accelerator pedal, it automatically returns to the set speed, to this 51. See, now I'm doing nothing, and it returned back to the set speed. How about if we decrease the speed by pushing little bit brake. I pushed brake, so the icon turned to be yellow, as you can see, and the speed is decreasing. So all you need to do is accelerate again to the desired speed you want to reach, and again push the set button. Now it is pushed. And to turn it off, just let the lever back to its original position. Some notes are worth mention. First, never use this cruise control system on reverse gear. Second, do not use it, do not activate it on unsuitable conditions like heavy rains or much traffic, heavy traffics, or slippery ground, etc. Something more, when you are not activating it, when you are not using it, put the lever to the off position, not to be activated accidentally or anything. Have it turned off completely. Something more, it is not recommended to use it when you are on sport mode, that devilish button that gives the speed another mode entirely. When this mode is activated, do not use the cruise control system. Something more, when you are inclining and the speed is ascending or descending quickly due to the big ramp, steep ramp or something, it will be deactivated automatically for safety reasons. I hope that was useful. Thank you so much.